Hello and welcome everyone to another Easy Way video where I'm going to teach you how you can download the Google Play Store on your PC. So this is very simple. The first thing you have to do is go to Play Store from Google, playgoogle.com, and then press the three dots here, and then you have to go to Save and Share. I have it on Spanish, but doesn't matter. It will say Save and Share. Then you have to go here and press, and it will say Create a shortcut, like here. And if it doesn't appear here, it can appear on more tools, so check it out. Okay, so you create a new shortcut, you press OK, and then you here will have the Play Store down there, as you can see. So you will be able to have the Play Store here. So if this video was useful, please subscribe, comment, share, like, press the bell, and see you in another Easy Way video. Goodbye.